Hi guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be going over how to make the hair swatches for the ABCH exam. So before we get started though, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Maureen Moody and I'm the Curious Stylist. And I'm on a journey to become an American Board Certified Hair Colorist. So if you're interested in the content, please like and subscribe because I'm going to be taking you on the journey with me each step of the way. As I was searching how to do the swatches, I found this one video by Cosmo Dad where he really breaks it down on how to make the swatches, and I'm going to follow along with what he says. I'm also going to link his video in the description box below. I think it's a good watch if you're interested in making these swatches and doing them in a really good way. So before we do that though, I'm going to make myself a cup of tea. Now let's get into making those swatches. So we're going to be spreading out the hair and just kind of making it nice and even. I'm also using the comb to kind of push it back, making it a little bit more even as I spread it out. It doesn't have to be super perfect, but you kind of want it to be really uniform. As you can see, I'm just spreading as I go. Out more and more. And then I'm going to take my duct tape. I'm not going super long with this because I get a little carried away with duct tape. I'm doing it halfway through the strip because I feel like that gives you a little bit more security on the ends of the hair. So going to pull this up, and you've got this strip, and I'm putting that right over the top, right over the top. I'm just going to comb the extra hair out, as you can see. Really nice and even. And then for the test, they want, I'll take my tape measure right here, and I'm gonna mark it 1 inch. Now I know that some people might think this is a little over the top, but I'm really excited about taking this test, and they say that how you present your swatches is going to account for part of your test score. So if they say they want 1 inch, well, we're going to do 1 inch. So I'm just going to be cutting down, and as you can see, it's like 1 inch. It's nice and thin too. And then the next thing that they ask is that you make them 4 inches wide. So at 4 inches, that takes me to about here. So I'm going to fold this now. I'm just going to cut it now. And there you have it. We have 4 test strands. Well, making those swatches was a lot of fun. I was able to make 12 4-inch wide swatches. So the next thing I'm going to do is prepare them for the exam. So one of the things that I noticed is they send this pretty large bundle of hair, and I was honestly, I was afraid that I was going to use it all up and mess it up bad, but no, you don't. I mean, I did use some practice hair and practiced on some spare hair that I had from like people cutting their hair off. That really helped me to have confidence when I use this, but they give you more than enough hair so that if you mess up, it's not all is lost. But I really liked what Cosmo Dad had said about, you know, using about a pinky's width of the bundle of hair. So it gives you a good understanding of how wide the sections should be. And like, if you could see, you could practically see through this. But when you fold it up, it gives a really nice opaque swatch of hair, like he was saying. So I hope that you found this helpful, and if you did,